Hello and welcome back to a brand new video, and today we're going to be tinting this little Mk4 Golf. So this is Harry's Golf. We've all met Harry on the channel before. Everyone knows Harry. But we are going to be trying out some limo smoke Halford's window tint, and it includes a free fitting kit as well. Right, let's get it out of the box and see how hard it's going to be, because I have had a practice. We did actually use my light smoke and that went absolutely tits up, didn't it, Harry?
Yeah.
Absolute nightmare. So I'll tell you what actually happened and what the problem was I was using the baby shampoo as a soap, and even putting more soap in it, it wasn't soapy enough. So I transferred over to using some fairy washing up liquid, and that seems to be so much better. Plenty of lube and it slided around. So we were going to go with the 15%, so we've now gone with the limo smoke, which is only 5%, so it's going to be really nice and dark. Right, let's crack on and have a look and see how we get on with it. Well, it's getting late now. You've got limo black on the rear, which is 5% light. We've got 15 on the sides. We haven't done this window yet, but we've done that one. We've done that one. Harry's going to come back tomorrow. We got that one done, because to do these doors, you can see down there all that hair. It's minging, so I told Harry he needs to clean it properly, take these rear door trims off, and then we can tint them. But we have just put the little sunstrip on the top as well. That's pretty sick. You happy with that?
Yeah, mate.
Yeah, mate, he says. Like a G. Happy days. Right, we'll catch up with this tomorrow.
What?
What are you doing, bruv? Oh, someone's getting the pictures of their car. So it's all tinted. He's gone with a limo on the back, which actually doesn't look all that dark, but it is the Halford's limo. And that actually, it looks roughly the same as the 15% that I've got from, is it 15? Oh no, it's carbon 20. 20% that I've been on all the others. So we've got 20% on the sides. So we've got 20%, 20%. Not done them yet. I don't know if he wants, what did you want? Ceramic, I think, and he wants a chameleon on the windscreen. So I expect we'll be doing a chameleon at some point. Well, that's what you said yesterday, wasn't it? You look, oh, well, chameleon as well.
I'll just get pulled over.
I haven't looked to see what the law is on them yet. Probably illegal, because you can't see the driver, isn't it?
Mm. Yeah.
Right. Well, this was just like a little little clip on Harry's Golf. However, you want to subscribe to Harry's YouTube channel, because he is actually going to start uploading on this vehicle. So the first video he is going to be doing on this is a clean. Is that not right? Clean. First job you're doing.
What, detailing?
Detail.
Ready for Santa Pod?
Ready for Santa Pod. Bug jammer. Bug jammer for life. Yeah, Santa Pod. Ultimate streetcar as well, maybe.
They are going to that one.
Yeah, following weekend.
Yeah.
Right, so I'll leave a link for Harry, like, somewhere, and down there. All that malarkey. And I'll see you all soon. Take care, stay safe, God bless.